You're probably wondering, what is GRADitude? GRADitude means overcoming obstacles throughout your high school year and reflecting back on who helped you get to where you are now. Here's an example of a GRADitude video filmed at Umatilla High School.
I am Daisy Garcilazo. I am a student at Umatilla High School, and I would like to thank Miss Nancy Stewart for helping me to get back on track on school. I was a 4.0 student my freshman and my sophomore year. My junior year, I started to step up. I had family issues, friend issues, and I had issues attending school. One day I was walking by her class, and she came out with one leg broken, trying to run to me to tell me like what's going on, because I wouldn't attend her class anymore. And I would just like to give her that thanks. So I was just wanting to thank you for getting me back on track my junior year. You're the only teacher that noticed that I was slipping in school, and I just wanted to thank you. That's my teacher, my favorite teacher.
GRADitude videos are heartfelt, and that is why you want to portray your sincere appreciation throughout your video. No need to worry about gear to create a video. What you truly need is a solid story and true motivation. GRADitude videos are more commonly filmed on a mobile device, but anything works. These are fairly inexpensive. If you'd like to purchase one for yourself, I'll leave a link down below. Besides stabilization and whatnot, you're gonna want an editing software for a better result. Now that you have all your gear set up, it's time to plan out how you'll make everything work. First and foremost, it's key to jot down what and who you'll be filming in your #GRADitude video. At times, it can be difficult to locate a high schooler for an ongoing trend, but if that's the case, don't give up. There are plenty of fish in the sea, and plenty of high schoolers with success stories. But we don't have to be too Pacific. Remember to express your school's #GRADitude story. Remember, have fun and good luck!